Namaskar. My name is Juhi A.Mishra, and I'm the co-founder of Shining Spiral, which happens to be the first Waldrof kindergarten in the state of Gujarat. And I'm also thankful to the team of the Edu Pocket for reaching out to me so that I can talk on the topic how to keep children fruitfully engaged without exposing them to screens. We have been in a lockdown since many days now, और फिर से लॉकडाउन एक्सटेंड कर दिया गया है और बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स से क्वेश्चन कर रहे हैं कि कैसे बच्चों को एंगेज रखा जाए सो दैट दे आर नॉट एक्सपोज टू अ लॉट ऑफ स्क्रीन्स, क्योंकि अगर कुछ नहीं होता है करने के लिए तो दे आइदर वॉच टेलीविजन और दे आर seeing something or the other on the mobile phones. And now, as the lockdown has been extended and learning can't stop, most of the schools have gone online and बच्चे ऑलरेडी काफ़ी समय स्क्रीन्स पे बिता रहे हैं क्योंकि दे हैव टू इंटरेक्ट विद देयर टीचर्स एंड दे कैन बी लेफ्ट बिहाइंड इन देयर करिकुलम. तो जो सबसे पहली चीज़ पेरेंट्स कर सकते हैं अपने लिए और बच्चों के लिए इज सेटिंग अप अ रिदम फॉर देयर फैमिली. बच्चों का एक सेट टाइम टेबल हेल्प्स देम टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट. सो अगर उनका एक रिदम एक टाइम टेबल सेट है और आपका एज पेरेंट्स आपका एक टाइम टेबल सेट है, तो आपको पता है कि इस टाइम पे ब्रेकफास्ट होना है, इस टाइम पे कोई एक्टिविटी होनी है, इस टाइम पे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस होनी है, इस टाइम पे बच्चे का फ्री प्ले है या इस टाइम पे लंच होना है. Setting a rhythm for the child is not only helpful for their physical development, it is also good for forming healthy habits in them. So they know at what time a particular thing needs to be done. After the timetable has been set, now what to do with them so that they are engaged fruitfully and they are not looking at the screens. Involve your children in a lot of household chores. Lockdown hai, there's no house help. So all the adults can't do all the things of the house alone. Children need to be involved in household chores. So the cleaning, mopping, brooming, dusting, it's not only the mother's job. So अगर सारे बच्चे घर के फैमिली के साथ साफ सफाई में लगे हैं, बहुत सारी चीज़ें इसमें लर्न करने का मौका मिल रहा है बच्चों को. They are helping their mother. Life skills. So when they are alone, they know that what to do, how to settle their house. They're learning orderliness. They're learning cleanliness. They are making bonds with their family because they are doing it together. एक bonding time है वो बच्चों के लिए. और शरीर का इस्तेमाल करना, using their body in grooming and dusting helps them in their motor skills. So life skills and motor skills go hand in hand. They know how to do certain things, they know how to keep their house clean, and then they are using their muscles and they are using their body. Involve your children in a lot of cooking. I believe kitchen is not only a place for preparing food, it is a room of knowledge. So science happens in kitchen, math happens in kitchen. For children below the age of 7, they're exposed to all different kinds of colors, the aromas, the taste, the textures of certain things in the kitchen. Simple concepts like shallow, deep, hot, cold, the color of the turmeric, the color of the spices. Simple concepts come to them naturally. They need not learn it, they need not mug it up. बड़े बच्चों के लिए math. When we involve children in a lot of cooking, so they know कितना ग्राम, कितना pinch, approximation. बड़े बच्चे हैं, 10 साल से ऊपर के बच्चे हैं, तो you can always use a kitchen scale कि 250 ग्राम of this or 1 kg of this. They know कि कितना weight लेना है किसी चीज़ के लिए. एक कटोरी दाल पे 2 कटोरी चावल. They are learning ratios. The science of spices, the science of indicators. Certain substances are alkaline, which substance acidic होता है. Everything comes to life in the kitchen. Involving children in cooking leads to a lot of learning. Apart from cooking and household chores, children can be involved in a lot of gardening. So gardening is a sensory experience. मिट्टी को छूना, पेड़ को लगाना gives a lot of sensory experience to the children. उसके अलावा they know that how to plant a tree, how to take care of a tree, the sense of responsibility. अगर एक pot एक बच्चे के नाम पे दे दिया जाए and the child has to take care of the pot and the plant, the sense of responsibility that I need to take care of this plant comes to life. Apart from that, gardening helps children remain rooted. So they're using a lot of their muscles, and they're plowing the mud, they are planting the tree, and it is a therapeutic experience. So as a family, you can make gardening a part of your life. So lockdown or no lockdown, children can always be involved in household chores, cooking, gardening. एक अलग से एक activity box for children above the age of 7. So a big activity box can be kept ready. So even for the children below 7, a lot of lacing activities, the beading activities, coloring, papers, crayons can be kept in a box. जब नहीं कुछ समझ में आ रहा है बच्चे को, या जब उसका activity time है set, the child can go to that box and pick up the activity which he desires. So अगर आज coloring करने का mood है, so the child can pick up the colors and start doing it. और आज coloring करने का mood नहीं है and the child just wants to do beading, it can be done. It's circle time, because we have a lot of time right now at home. Circle time with the family, when all the family members are together. So circle time can be anything. It can be a family game, a board game, a simple board game. Children can sing songs with the family. So this is the best time. आप अपने regional songs, अपने language में songs, और आपकी जो cultural songs हैं, that can be brought in your family. So this is the right time to infuse the cultural values in your children. अगर हम अपने घर में readers, the people who read books, उन्हें बड़ा कर होते देखना चाहते हैं, तो बहुत ज़रूरत है एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम सेट करने की, एक क्वाइट टाइम when everyone is reading. So if the mother is reading with the child, the mother is reading her own book, बच्चा अपनी book पढ़ रहा है, it's the best thing we can give it to a child. So during a lockdown, when a child is reading books, he is connected to the outer world. So books open a big arena of exploration to everyone. Story time. Set up a story time. So you can narrate the stories to the children. You can ask them to narrate stories. You can enact a story, create a puppet play. Create small puppets using origami, paper के puppets, handkerchief के puppet, छोटा bunny बना दो, napkin से, boats बनाओ, and create stories. Story creation में, you're not only bonding with your child, the child is imagining things. The child is able to imagine a bunny in the room, a boat in the room, an ocean in the room. So creativity, imagination, सब कुछ आ रहा है through stories. सोने से पहले, wrapping up of the house, wrapping up of the toys, keeping the toys at their place, everything goes back to its place. This the basic value of respecting everything and keeping everything at its place comes to life when parents do it with the children. So before going to bed, everything goes back to its place. Wrapping up takes time. So before sleeping, maybe half an hour before sleeping, wrapping up of the house, making the house ready for the next day can be a task. That can be done with the kids. And for elder kids, this is the right time to explore their interests, their hobbies. So children above the age of 10, they can be exposed to the hobbies. So they can start doing artwork, they can start dancing, singing with the parents, and then they'll be able to identify their what they actually like, and once everything is back to normal, they can pursue those things. So hope this helps to create a rhythm, to create a timetable for your children. Happy quarantine, happy lockdown. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.